What's up, guys? Trying to Saturday here. In this video, I'm gonna give you a walk around the farm I have on the report map. So here's my two trucks. I think this is a 1994, probably 96 Ford F-150, but with a 730 diesel on it. Then this right here, this is the same GMC Denali that I have on the new Woodshire map, which is what I showed in the last video. So this right here, that's where we store all the stuff we've harvested. Just keep it out of the way. Here's skid steer. I only took this truck so I can get the hay bale out of it that I put in the back of it off camera. You gotta be kidding me. I hate children so much. So I feel like my time is money. Yeah, try to make YouTube videos. That's what I want to do in my spare time. So that's what I want to do in my spare time. That's if my little brother doesn't try to ruin that, which he does almost every day. Especially at the beginning months. These things are like almost impossible to make because my little brother's always being so fucking loud. And well, I mean, he was in here for a second but walked out. One time he's ever been quiet. I don't really want him to be heard on camera. And we do not have a pressure washer, on this map. Here's the 5-door garage. I'm not going to give you full in-depth tour, but I'm going to show you everything in there. Show you what is in there. We have a cedar back there. Tractor my plow. A truck. 70-10, which was the one with carrying the cedar. Got a new Holland TX32 harvester. ton LSB 1290. The harvester. Have a little PJ floppy trailer. And then we have this dump trailer. I don't know who the hell made it, let alone care. Then we have this Vultra tractor. There's really not a whole lot to see. So we're pulling up on the chicken coop right now. Just chicken coop right now. Coop, really nothing going on. So, I can't remember if I've demonstrated or not with this truck. X is for the tailgate. And this hitch cannot be whatsoever adjusted. That's pretty huge exhaust on this truck. And here's the Ford. Good. I just hope that doesn't seem like this front. And here is the Ford. So it's a, if you look at the body stuff, look at the body, it looks like a lifted, it's a lifted F-150. You walk up really close to it. Hit R. Look, son of a bitch. Well, at least that's how it worked earlier when I found. That's how some of it worked earlier. But you hit X to open this tailgate. Here's the interior. Just regular F-150 XLT interior. Well, that's gonna be it for this video. Not that damn close. Okay. Death, I just knocked something down. I know, I just don't give a shit though. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to subscribe for more content. My channel is a random content channel, so so you really never know what kind of video I'm gonna make. But, I don't got anything further to say. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. Oh, actually, no, gas pricing's up a lot. Hope you all enjoyed. Well, I was gonna end it here, but thank you for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. I'm out.